In this video, we are going to evaluate integral of x squared exponential minus 2x dx. I'll be doing this using the method of integration by parts. Now, in integration by part, we have our formula to be integral of u dv over dx to be equal to uv minus integral of v du over dx. Now, here we are going to let our u to be equal to x squared. Remember, we are going to differentiate the function that if we differentiate is going to be demolition, and here we have u to be x squared. So if we differentiate the u now, u with respect to x, we are going to have the u to be equal to 2x dx, and let's let the v to be equal to exponential minus 2x dx. Then that means integrating exponential minus 2x, we are going to have minus 1 over 2 exponential minus 2x exponential minus 2x. So this is what we have. So let's substitute these values in our formula. So substituting these values in our formula, we are going to have integral of u dv, which is going to be x squared exponential minus 2x dx to be equal to uv. This is u, and v we have minus x squared over 2 exponential minus 2x. Then this is minus integral of v du. Du we have minus 2x over 2 exponential minus 2x dx. So solving this further, we're going to have integral of x squared exponential minus 2x dx equal to minus x squared over 2 exponential minus 2x plus integral of x exponential minus 2x dx, because 2 will divide 2 and this minus will multiply this minus to give a plus. So from here we are going to have integral of x squared exponential minus 2x dx to be equal to minus x squared over 2 exponential minus 2x plus, now here also we still have the same issue here. We are going to still solve this by integration by parts, where we let u to be equal to x, and the u will be equal to 1 dx, and we let the v to be equal to exponential minus 2x, and v will be equal to minus 1 over 2 exponential minus 2x. Integrate this, you have this. So substituting this now here, we are going to have this to be plus uv. Now the same procedure, uv we have minus x over 2 exponential minus 2x minus integral of v du. V we have v to be this, then du to be this. We are going to have minus 1 over 2 exponential minus 2x dx. So this will be integral of x squared exponential minus 2x dx equal to minus x squared over 2 exponential minus 2x minus x over 2 exponential minus 2x plus 1 over 2 integral of exponential minus 2x dx. So here we are going to have integral of x squared exponential minus 2x dx to be equal to minus x squared over 2 exponential minus 2x minus x over 2 exponential minus 2x minus, now if we integrate this, we are going to have minus 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2, we have minus 1 over 4 exponential minus 2x plus a constant c. So, and this is our integration. So check the description to get the link to our next video, which is going to be our 4th video on integration by parts and our 3rd example on integration by parts.